Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Johnny M. Vigapili, 22 years old, 5'7". My hobby in life is I'm currently a fitness coach, and my talent is fire dancing and poi.
Candidate number 38. Hello,
Yes po.
I'm here. Tell me, define the youth of today.
Siguro madidefine ko po as stubborn.
Why?
Because marami pong kids na masyado nang tutok sa gadgets, which is nakaka-apekto sa mga bata and hindi rin na masyado natututukan ng parents. That's why siguro maganda po may implement is mas patutukan pa ng magulang yung mga bata nila sa paggamit ng mga gadgets.
And is this your first pageant?
This is my first time na nag-national pageant po, and the rest puro barangay pageant.
What do you mean barangay? Barangay fiesta?
Puro barangay.
Now, you're quite interesting, but I want to know you more. As a young people, how can you help our government to eradicate poverty?
Sige. For eradicating poverty, I feel like hindi na po talaga kayang maayos ang poverty as of now because there's so many government corrupting the money. But the thing is, we can lessen the corruptions itself by providing some needs like food or giving the poverty work so they can provide in their own.
Okay, last question. Para lighter naman.
Okay po.
Favorite color and why?
Favorite color ko po is black because it's represent on me because I have been anxiety in the past few years, like in pandemic po, nagkaroon ako ng anxiety because I don't have any things to do, and that's why mas pinili ko po yung black because the meaning of black is para sa akin is peaceful silence and peace of mind. Sa talent po,
Sure!
first po ay dancing.
Akala ko lato-lato, hindi pala. Boy pala, boy. Sorry, mali ako.
How long have you been practicing poi?
I started practicing poi way back 2016, and I learned it from my uncle because I wanted to be a fire dancer like him because it can be source of money like racket na lang po pag may racket. So nag-decide po ako aralin siya, and ngayon po, nakuha naman po, natutunan naman kahit pa paano.
Okay, aside from your talent, what is your edge over the other candidates? Aside from your talent, I know you have a good talent actually. Yes. Aside from your talent, what is your edge over the other candidates to win the title Mr. Grand Philippines?
Ang edge ko po siguro is pagiging confident sa harap ng camera. And sometimes other candidate may not be confident enough to be in the front. But I'm guaranteed that that's the only thing I can provide, the confidence.
Okay, follow-up question. Any advocacy?
Ang advocacy ko po is mental health, at the same time is health, fitness, lifestyle po. So bakit po kasama ang health, fitness, life? Kasi po, ang mental health po natin, minsan hindi po natin siya naaayos through vocally. So maybe do it physically like jogging, weightlifting, anything na makakatulong po sa health natin for distracting our anxiety. So yun po, yung advocacy po.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you po. Any other questions?
Ay, sir, di ba